Good morning lang. Dito tayo ngayon guys, samlang. Kasi dito na naman nagpwesto yung weekdays coffee natin. Kung gusto niyo yung masarap na coffee guys, cold brew, dito lang sa Weekdays Coffee. Located kami sa front ng Municipal Hall ng Mlang. And guys, happy drinking coffee. Guys, malapit na tayo sa pwesto guys. Yan, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Yan, lapit na tayo. So guys, welcome to Weekdays Coffee. Good morning. Yan, si Tito Ryan natin, yung barista natin. Tapos si Tita Ichel.
Subukan siyempre ang bisa ng Atson's Probiotics with Natural Antibacterial Extract. 7 formula in 1, 100% organic, all-in-one vitamins and minerals for prevention